Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a plier out of 24 pieces of magic snake wool. First up, turn this wire on twice. Now turn this wire on twice. Now turn this wire on to the right. Now count to 1, 2, and turn this wire on away from you. Now turn this blue one up. Now count to 1, 2, and turn this blue one towards you. Now turn this wire one towards you. Now count to 1, 2, and turn this wire one away from you. Now turn this blue one to the right. Now count to 1, 2, and turn this blue one down. Now turn this white one away from you. Now count to 1, 2, and turn this white one to the right. Now count to 1, 2, and turn this white one towards you. Now turn this blue one away from you. This is what it looks like on the other side. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe. And follow on Facebook and Instagram page for more videos. Bye.